for one music that I can use. Let me look for one of my track that I work on. So I'm also, in case you don't know, I'm also a music producer too as well. So this is one of my tracks that I did for someone. So let's say I want to start from lower to higher volume, or to the normal volume. Or you want to start from higher to lower volume, you want to automate it, you want to animate it. I can click this keyframe here, and then, or let me take it down to this place there, and I'll add keyframe. Then I'll come to this place and take it back here. You can see the curving, you can see the curve, you can see. Let's say, let me click here. Let me cut it on. So I want to also take it down again from here, from higher to lower. I can click keyframe here again, then take this to this place and take it down. You can also see the curve here. So let's say you want to end it from here now. You can see very simple. You can do this with anything. So thank you guys for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more.